Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Asana approvals for regulated workflow processes, complete guide step by step clearly. To update Asana approvals for regulated workflow processes, begin by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to the project that contains the approvals you wish to update. Identify the approval task within the project. Click on the task to open its details. Review the current approval settings. To make changes, click on the Customize button located in the right sidebar. Locate the Approval section to access the relevant settings. Select the appropriate approvers for the task. You can add multiple approvers if necessary. Adjust the due dates or deadlines for the approvals as needed. Ensure any necessary instructions or comments are clearly stated in the task description. If applicable, set the approval type, such as in-person, document, or digital. Make use of the drop-down options to specify the approval status. Choose between options like pending, approved, or rejected. Once all adjustments are made, click the Save button to apply your changes. Communicate any updates to your team members to maintain clarity on new approval processes. If required, conduct a brief training or provide documentation for team members on the updated workflow. Regularly review and adjust approvals to ensure compliance with regulatory standards. Finally, monitor the completion of approvals to track progress effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.